Yeah.
Okay. This is a quick review of the Universal Shooting Academy holster for the Glock. It's got pretty good retention. Right here, you can unlock, still retained. As soon as that comes up, got a ball bearing in here. Can you see that? That's what locks it in. Even with it unlocked, once it slides in, it's not going out easily. Not getting knocked off too easy. But once you pull up, it's pretty much good to go. It takes about a half inch here. You can pull in a pull up at, there's not a whole lot of angles except straight forward that it gets stuck. So as long as you come up, for the most part, you're good. If you got to run, you can put it right there and then flip it up on your draw stroke like that, and we'll go hot and I'll take a couple shots from it. Alright, going hot. So you want to give me a little timer action?
Are you ready? Stand by.
What was that?
115.
115? Alright.
Shooter ready. Stand by. 119. Shooter ready. One more. Stand by. 116.
Too bad anything, but you get the point. Alright, that's all.
Alright.
Thank you.
I'm gonna try mine.